Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a TUF A14 FA401 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu, make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. Then we're going to flip the computer over to access your bottom case screws. This computer has 11 screws in the bottom case, and the screw down here in the corner near the blue arrow, that screw does not actually come out of the bottom case. When you unscrew it, it just pushes up a little bit on the bottom case, but it stays inside. So this is where you would start prying it off with your pry tool. You'll go nice and slow around the edges. Don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge. Go nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. If you get stuck going in one direction and you can't seem to pry it up anymore, leave it alone, go to the other side and continue in the other direction. After you get your bottom case up, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any upgrade or replacement parts for this specific model, the FA401, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all those tools, supplies, and replacement parts. Before touching anything in a computer, it's always wise to remove or at least unplug your battery. Computers are safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. Your battery is right down here along the bottom of my screen. It's held in by these 4 screws near the red arrows, and it's plugged into the motherboard right here near the blue arrow. Now to get this plug out, there's a metal bar on top that you would gently slide up toward the top of the computer, and then you'll be able to pop this clip off. Your Wi-Fi card is right here to the right of my screen. It's partially obstructed by this black guard here. That's only held on by double-sided tape, so be careful, but you can peel that right off to gain better access to your Wi-Fi card. After you do, the Wi-Fi card is held down by a single screw here. After removing that screw, you'll be able to pull it out of this port right here. Then all you have left are these antenna wire. Those are just snaps. So you can pull those directly up and off and unsnap them from the Wi-Fi card. To get them back on, they do need to be at a perfect 90-degree angle to snap back on. And you are strong enough to damage them if they're not at the right angle and you try to force it. So just go slow, be patient. It could be a pain in the butt if you're not used to it, but you will be able to snap those back on. I will have the Wi-Fi card spec information below in the description if you're looking for a replacement, but I will also have a Wi-Fi card replacement option below in that link I told you about with all of the upgrade and replacement parts for this model computer. As a side note, if you are having Wi-Fi issues in your computer, if you cannot see any Wi-Fi options and you can't access those, most likely that's not an issue with the card, that's an issue with your system or your drivers. Above and below in the description, I will have a video tutorial link showing you how to remedy that situation and make sure your system drivers are updated so you can rule that out before coming in here to do an invasive Wi-Fi card repair. And as long as you're in this computer, if you want to think about upgrading your storage, there is an extra storage port here. In the video that will pop up at the end of this one, I'll show you how to do that. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.